Hello everyone, Catalog Machine team is here. Today we are going to discuss our new feature, how to use layouts in Product Grid. You can use one of our pre-designed layouts to make your existing or new grid look professional. After you create a catalog, go to Grids and enable Use Layouts feature. Select the layout that suits your business needs the best and update the grid. Products that belong to this grid will be automatically allocated on the page. You can also create a unique page layout by using our layout tool on the left sidebar. Drag and drop text and image elements on the Canva and insert product fields that you want to present. Make sure you have a separate text and image element for each product on the page. Don't forget to name your elements properly. Drag and drop the image and text placeholders to the working area. The product will be assigned to all placeholders with the same name, so make sure that image element and text element that you want to use for one product have the exact same name. After creating a layout, enable the Use Layout feature for a grid as we did before, and select Save Layout from the list. Finally, you can publish and share your catalog online or as a PDF file with your clients. Now you know how to use layouts in Product Grid. Go to Catalog Machine and start creating.